Welcome. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, anywhere you are. In this session, we will talk about a list of sub-content, how to create sub-content, and add and remove items as a list. But at first, I want to say that we are talking about software. It's called TreeShade, and I have been developing this extension over a decade. You can install from Adobe Exchange, and at this stage you installed on Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. It's totally free. After installing, open Adobe Bridge, and from Window select Extensions, TreeShade. Then restart. The extension will ask you to create a root folder for your project. Here I have TRST root folder. I create this folder. Inside this folder you will have workshop, and inside workshop you put your project files. There are barrels locations for output for versions. See the folder name here changed from workshop to versions. For final PDF, for PDFs for each version. We are talking here about InDesign documents, and here you have trash for deleted files. If you remove them using move to trash command from TreeShade menu. Okay, let's start our project today. At first, I will create a folder inside workshop. Let's name this folder Tuesday. Okay, inside this folder inside this folder I will create using a new command. I have here text file called plain, and any file you put inside the templates folder will be revealed here as a quick command to use it as a template file, and click OK. OK. Here I want to change this file to data or links or any folder you want, any name you want. Then I will write a flag to distinguish this file as settings file for the form. I will write this ts_key. After renaming the file, just click on the thumbnail. Okay, if you try to open any text file here, TreeShade will reveal this dialog to edit, and here I need to write the form button, update or submit, colon, dot slash to update the content in the same location. Okay. Now, I forgot to tell you that I have here local server. After installing TreeShade, you will have this Node.js server application file. Execute this file as Node.js, install Node.js, it's free, and execute the file. Here I have ngrok service. I pay $8 monthly to connect to this specific domain, custom domain. If you want random any domain, it's free. This service is free for random domains. So if I write here the domain name ts.darulwatan.com.sa, then the folder name, and if you have subfolders, write the relative path from within the workshop folder to the project folder. So Tuesday, you will have now the template. I have one button, update. If you remember, I write the button name here in the settings. So if you change here to submit, okay, here the button name change to submit. You can add more than one button, and each button have different function to update the content in different location as you want. But here in simplest way, one button to update in the same location. Okay, now let's create a folder called data, the same word here. And now here inside data, I want to create the list of complex content. At first, from new command, a plane, you will not have this command if you install TreeShade, because you need to put the text file, any text file in any name, in templates folder inside workshop. So create a folder called templates inside workshop, and you will have the command as the file name. Here all these exist in, if I go to workshop and write template, I will have this folder. So you will find here a plane, this text file. After restarting Adobe Bridge, you will have these commands, like here photo, here photo, index. Any file you put here inside template will be revealed as command here. And you can change the path of the template. You can change and select different folder. Okay, let's return back to our folder Tuesday. Now I want to rename this text file to have ID, capital letters, from 1 to 5, random, I can random capital letters and digits, but it's easier for me to write 1 to 5. And I need to add also square brackets at the end for displaying portion. Let's now write any word, display name or label or what you want. Okay, now right click and select this command. Select adjacent. If you execute this command, the tree shade will create a folder beside the file as the pure name of the file, and enter this folder so you can put content inside it. If you go back here, you will see that you have now folder with the same name as the file, without the displaying part and without any flags exist. Now here we can put the content inside this folder. Let's put one image and one icon, or and one text. So here let's say city, and let's create text file, new command plain. Okay. And let's write description. Okay, now I will have one item and the display name here. The display name here, you will have here, you can modify, the end user can modify this. And here we have city and description for the city. So you can add a different image. Let's see. Cairo. No, not this. This is the first one. Okay, display name. Cairo. Here a description. Capital of Egypt. You can close here. Close and open any item. Here. Riyadh. Capital of Saudi Arabia. Submit. Okay. Let's add Riyadh. Capital of Saudi Arabia. Okay, now you have two folders. Each will have different ID, and here is the displaying name. If you try to open the text file, TreeShade will reveal this command: open adjacent folder. Yes. Then you will have the sub-content. Here the city and the description. So each city have a text file as a gate for the folder with displaying name, and if you try to open, you can click yes to open the adjacent folder. You can here add new items. You can rearrange, writing the new order, and you can remove. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.